What's going on? We're finally back in action for the first time in about a week. We just made 4 brand new fingerboard graphics with waterslide decal paper, also using the micro gloss I did use to help the graphics stick on the board. But our first graphic we did make here today is this white Fortnite Thrasher parody. Pretty cool Fortnite Battle Royale in the Thrasher Flame font. And yeah, pretty satisfied with this one. I did come across this graphic on the internet, so it's not my graphic or idea, but I thought I'd make a really cool fingerboard graphic considering we just made the Fortnite mini skateboard not too long ago. Our next one is the Yodel Kid. Of course, he just recently became famous. About 6 hours down south in Illinois, he he's singing at Walmart, and next thing you know, a few weeks later, he's performing at Coachella, which I find really funny. But what I find even funnier is I put him on a fingerboard, and overall, this is kind of a gag one for shits and giggles. Our next one right here is an Odd Future one with their awesome donut logo on this baby blue. Not too big of a fan of Odd Future, but I do like their logo, and I like the way this one looked like, so I thought, why not? Pretty cool fingerboard. And last but not least, we have the Supreme one. It's one of our latest drops. The America or Business Controls, or what is it? I can't even read it because it's all chopped. Business Control, I can't even say it. Business Controls America, Illegal Business Controls America. Finally, I got it right. But regardless, a pretty cool Supreme graphic and another hypebeast graphic in this batch of fingerboards. Anyways, guys, let me know what you guys think of the 4 brand new fingerboards down there in the comments below. Let me know which one's your favorite. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share our video. Our next video is gonna be a good one. I promise it is the longboard I was telling you guys all about. It's gonna be featuring Post Malone and his Bud Light background right here. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool, and I'm gonna spray it today and get to work on it, and hopefully sometime this weekend I'll have that video for you guys. Of course, it is warming up here in Chicago. The weather's getting a lot better. We're in the 60s here today, so probably by Saturday, maybe Sunday, I should have that Post Malone longboard done and finished and a video up for you guys. But of course, with the nicer weather coming, I will be making some more handboards, fingerboards outside, and plenty more graphics. And I also have a shipment of skateboards coming in for tomorrow, so we'll be seeing a lot more skateboard graphics. Besides that, guys, to wrap things up, thank you all so much for watching. Have a great, awesome Thursday night. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all next time.